Good morning, student. Today we will revise chapter skeleton system. That is very important chapter. And skeleton system, it protect our body. Our body framework, this body structures is made by the bones. So structure of bones arranging in a good way, that is called framework. So two type of skeleton system is there: endoskeleton system, exoskeleton system. Exoskeleton system we can see outside. For example, Neel, for example tortoise, they have their skeleton system in outside of the body. तो आपने देखा होगा कछुए का जो पीठ रहती है वो एक्चुअली उसका स्केलेटन सिस्टम रहता है, वो प्रोटेक्ट करता है उसकी बॉडी। एंडोस्केलेटन सिस्टम इज प्रेजेंट इनसाइड द बॉडी। फॉर एग्जांपल ह्यूमन बीइंग, our skeleton system covered with the skin. It protect our body. So first part of the skeleton system is our skull. So skull have the 7-8 bones and facial bones also, cranials and many other parts. A rib cage protect our soft organ like heart, like lungs. It protect. It made by the 12 pair of bones. They are called ribs. Spinal cord, also called backbone, it is made by the 33 bones. Pelvic girdle, it present in our lower part of our body. Our hands bone is humerus, and upper part of our hand is made by the 2 bones, that is called radius and ulna. Our fingers bones are called carpals and metacarpals. Like that is our leg also made by the one big bone is called femur, and downside means downwards 2 bones is present, that is called tibia and fibula. And metacarpals and carpals here also in our leg, fingers and toes made by the carpals and metacarpals. When the 2 bone join together, that is called joint. So there are 2 types of joint: fixed joint as well as our movable joint. In movable joint which we can easily move, that is movable joint. Immovable joint, that is fixed, that cannot move, but it made by the 2 bones. One bones can easily move upper side, that. So first is ball and socket joint. It is structure ball and socket like. In our leg, in our knee, and our knee it is present. So in our hand also upper portion, this portion, it present ball and socket joint in our arms. And our leg also pelvic region, pelvic girdles it have. Second is pivot joint. Pivot joint is present in our hand. So head it present. So one means we can move upward, downward, upside, downside, that all direction we can move our body. That is pivot joint. Fixed joint, it is non-movable. So in our skull it present, it is non-movable. Okay. And our next is our hinge joint. Hinge joint means होता है जो अपना गेट में लगा रहता है स्टील वाला, जिससे हम ईजिली गेट को खोल सकते हैं, बंद कर सकते हैं. इट प्रेजेंट इन आवर नी एंड आवर दिस हैंड आल्सो. सो वी कैन मोल्ड ओनली वन डायरेक्शन, वी कैन मोल्ड इट. नेक्स्ट इज ग्रेट ऑफ द एनिमल, मीन्स हाउ दे locomote, how they move one place to another place. So first earthworm, with the help of सीटा it move, and construction and relaxation process, पूरे बॉडी को सिकोड़ लेता है और फिर रिलैक्स कर देता है, फिर सिकोड़ लेता है, फिर रिलैक्स कर देता है. इट टाइप ऑफ मूवमेंट इज कॉल्ड construction and relaxation movement. So earthworm it have. Snake have backside plates, and crawling movement it done in zigzag manner. It फॉलो zigzag manner मीन्स लेफ्ट जाएगा, फिर राइट जाएगा, फिर लेफ्ट जाएगा, फिर राइट जाएगा. तो प्लेट से प्लेट क्लोज हो जाती है, कॉन्स्ट्रक्शन हो जाता है, फिर रिलैक्शन हो जाता है. Nail, it have the salami substance and it's spread on the surface and easily sliding, स्लाइड करता हुआ जी मूव करता है इससे नील। अभी बारिश के टाइम में हम नील इजीली देख भी सकते हो, उनकी मूवमेंट भी देख सकते हो। कॉकरोच, इट हैव विंग्स आल्सो एंड लेग्स आल्सो, so it can fly little distance. Mostly it use their legs for locomotion. And human being, you all know that we use our legs for movement one place to another place. So this is our chapter. I hope you understand that. If any confusion, any doubt you have, so you can ask to me. Best of luck for your exam. Thank you. Have a nice day.